Okay, I'm going to show you how to put a fresh lid onto a bowl. Simply put it over one side, grab the lid and the bowl in one hand and stretch it down and around, trying to get the change of direction of the lid down below the rim of the bowl. Once you've got it on, you slide your finger up one side causing a gap, push the air out, you've got a vacuum seal, better seal than cling wrap. To remove it, you just pull it out from the side, slide it off. Now to use a easy seal lid, you simply put it on the top of your bowl or your container, give a very light tap in the middle and it's sealed up. That's it.
Here is fresh lids. They're made out of silicone, they're not a plastic, not a rubber, no petrochemicals, no emissions, quite food safe. They're a replacement for Glad Wrap. So if you've got a bowl of food you want to cover, put it in the fridge or the freezer, simply put it over one side, grab the lid and the bowl with one hand and stretch it down and around. So the bowl with one hand and stretch with the other. Once you've got it on, it's actually sealed. If you want to give it a vacuum seal, lift it off the edge a little bit, push some air out, you'll get a better seal than Glad Wrap. It's a round bowl with square bowls. They're all round lids, so it's just corner to corner. As you go around, it holds itself to the shape of the bowl. There's a vacuum seal as well. Got china, got stainless steel, there's wood, glass, plastic, containers that have lids. You lose or you break the lid, the container's no longer any good. Stretch one of those over, you've got a replacement lid. Right, one thing that they do have trouble sticking to, the same as cling wrap, is if the side of the bowl or container is damp or wet. So you do need a dry surface when you put them on. Once they're on, however, they are air and watertight. Fruit and vegetable down the front here. Flat surface on your fruit or your vegetable, place it in the lid, face down on the fridge like that, and that'll last twice as long as what it will wrap up in Glad Wrap or put in a plastic bag. There's a set of the fresh lids, there's 5 different sizes in the set. Also the 2 smaller sizes in that set, they come packaged separately. Righto. Alright, we have easy seal lids, also made of silicone, so also no petrochemicals, no emissions, quite food safe. These have 2 main uses. Firstly, a quick temporary cover for a bowl of food that you're serving out of. So instead of stretching the fresh lid on and off each time, pop that over, keeps the dust and the flies out, and giving a light tap, it actually seals that bowl up. So it's keeping it airtight while it's sitting around waiting to be served. Now to break the seal, simply lift it from the side, so it's not hard to use. Right, second use is in cooking. If we use a microwave at home, we want to cover on top of our bowl to keep the food from splattering on the roof of the microwave. This will also stay on top, it won't drop down like paper towels or Glad Wrap. Builds up steam and pressure on the inside and lifts off the edge and lets it out. When it's finished, it contracts and seals up. You can also use the easy seals in the oven. They're good for 240 degrees Celsius, same stuff as silicone bakeware. Use them on the stove top, on top of a pot. There's a larger one on a frying pan used as a lid or a splatter guard. Leave it on there while you're cooking, it won't damage the lid. Put a little tab on one side, grab the tab and roll it back. As the steam comes out, that protects the back of your hand. And when you get them off and it's time to clean it, it's hot soapy water in the sink and your dishwasher safe as well. A couple of added uses with this one. It also insulates very well being a silicone, so you can roll it up in your hand, use it as a temporary pot lid, put it on the bench top beside the stove, used as a hot pot stand. Right, that also becomes a non-slip surface if you're mixing up cakes or doughs. Alright, the sizes in the easy seal, we have the 3 most common sizes. Those 2 come together, and then the larger one, 30 centimetres down to 20 centimetres. Also some smaller sizes, 10 centimetres up to 17.5, and the very large one, which is 35 centimetres.